What's up, everybody? Alex here with Lord Jesus ATV Repair and Customs, and today we're doing the breakdown of the Yamaha Banshee engine, and we got a special guest with us today. His name is Juan. He's also an electrical engineer, electrical engineering student just like me, and he's here helping us out at the shop. We're gonna be breaking down this Banshee. He's gonna be helping me out. What do you think, Juan?
Well, let's get rolling and let's have some fun.
All right, guys. So first thing we're gonna do is take the chain off, take the shifter off, unhook all the motor mounts, disconnect the electrical connections, and then should be ready to come on out. All right, guys, we got the engine out. What do you think about that one?
Well, let's see. Let's open it up.
All right, so we got the engine out. We're gonna start breaking it down. Gonna take off the flywheel first, then we're gonna take off the kicker, then we'll take off this side cover, take off the stator coils, and then engine case bolts, and that should be pretty much it. All right, everybody, Juan has something to tell you guys.
The engine is completely disassembled.
What did we kind of figure out here?
Well, it's full of metal.
It's full of metal. Exactly. So it's full of chunks of what looks to be an old piston. So what's the theory, Juan?
That's what caused the engine to blow up.
Exactly. Yep. So somebody blew this engine up at some point, put a new top end on it, never bothered to clear the bottom end out, and so there was all these pieces still left in there, and that's what caused this side to lock up and to ruin this bearing on this crankshaft.
That's why due diligence is important.
Yeah, due diligence when you're buying a bike, and also, well, when you're rebuilding a bike, don't be a scumbag. Make sure to clean out the bottom end. Do it right. Don't just leave it as a ticking time bomb. But other than that, it looked good, huh?
Yep.
Everything else looked good. All the parts look good. There's no damage to the cases, just some scoring, but there's no cracks in it from what we can see. No cracks. And yeah, we've got the new crank on the way, and new gaskets and seals, and we're gonna have a new pistons, and get this thing running again. So yeah, for now, that's it. Any last words, Ron?
Nope. Good to go.
Cool. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys learned something, and Lord Jesus Christ bless you. Bye.